Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss the 7 best tips to improve performance on gaming PCs. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. So let's take a look at the best tips that can improve the maximum performance of your gaming PC. A guide to getting the most potential from your gaming PC. Number 1. Close background tasks. Closing unnecessary background tasks is one of the most important steps to improve performance on gaming PCs. Such processes scoop up available computing power, thereby limiting how much of it can be utilized by video games. Windows Task Manager can be used to close background apps. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open it up. Then select the tasks that appear unnecessary and hit End Task to shut them down. This will free up CPU and memory usage. These resources can then be utilized by the game, thereby enhancing performance. It's important to note that some processes are important for PC's optimal performance, and hence users should only end those tasks if they've performed a prior checkup. Number 2. Enable Windows Game Mode. Windows has an inbuilt game mode. Turning it on can be considered one of the most important secret tips to making your gaming PC faster, as many don't know its impact. Game mode increases power delivery to specific components and sends the OS to a less active state when it detects a video game is running. This improves performance levels by a solid margin. Number 3. Update graphics card drivers. Outdated graphics card drivers can cause suboptimal performance in several video games. Newer drivers are optimized for the latest titles on the market. Thus, game-ready drivers are capable of delivering maximum performance in available titles. With driver updates, manufacturers refine their technology to obtain more performance from the same video card. Thus, we consider keeping graphics card drivers updated as one of the most important tips to improve performance of gaming PCs. Number 4. Set your graphics card to maximum performance. Both NVIDIA and AMD allow customized power delivery to graphics processors. On AMD devices, you can optimize your card to deliver maximum performance by opting for the eSports setting. On NVIDIA cards, choosing Prefer Maximum Performance from within the NVIDIA control panel will ensure it performs optimally. We consider setting the card to maximum performance to be an important step in getting the biggest bang for your buck. This setting will allow the video card to pull 100% of their rated TDP, thereby allowing them to perform at their best potential. Number 5. Optimize in-game settings. Checking the capability of your PC components is one of the primary steps to understand how far you can push them. This is because an aging GTX 1060 cannot run every modern game in the highest settings today. Thus, set the in-game options according to the capabilities of the hardware your PC packs. Although surprising, dropping the in-game settings from ultra to very high improves frame rates by a massive 90% margin in modern games. However, this performance improvement comes at a nominal cost of visual fidelity. Although the process involves hit and trial experimentation, spend some time finding the best settings for each game. Number 6. Reduce the monitor's resolution. Dropping your monitor's resolution can also be considered one of the most effective tips to improve performance on gaming PCs. Keep in mind that reducing resolution can hurt visual fidelity. Thus, we recommend spending more time fine-tuning the graphics options and consider tweaking the resolution only if you're out of options. Alternatively, you can also switch to a panel that's rated for lower resolution. 1080p images on FHD monitors look way crisper than on UHD display. This small tip will help you in case you're out of options. Number 7. Overclock your hardware. Overclocking PC hardware can be considered one of the most advanced tips to improve performance on gaming PCs. As a word of caution, overclocking does have the potential to harm PC components. Double check for sufficient cooling and power supply and appropriate guides on the internet before pushing hardware to its limits. Overclocking mostly involves tweaking some BIOS settings. However, users can benefit from tweaking graphics card settings from a utility like MSI Afterburner. This will achieve a decent gain in performance while playing it safe. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can, as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.